Yuka app review, smarter shopping or limited insight? Yuka is a simple app designed to help users shop smarter and make healthier choices. It scans food and cosmetic labels instantly, analyzing ingredients to show how they may affect health. With a database of over 3 million foods and 2 million cosmetics, Yuka provides data-backed scores so users can quickly see what's safe or potentially harmful, highlighting allergens, additives, or endocrine disruptors. If a product scores poorly, the app suggests healthier alternatives. Yuka is ad-free and independent, meaning recommendations focus solely on users' health. It's easy to use and encourages better habits. 95% of users report improved food choices. The premium version adds offline scanning, unlimited history, and customizable dietary alerts for ingredients like gluten or palm oil. Limitations include incomplete product coverage and the fact that the app is not a replacement for professional dietary advice. In short, Yuka is a handy tool for decoding labels and discovering healthier options, but users should stay alert to gaps in the database and continue using their own judgment when making choices. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.